As a noun, respect can mean admiration for someone or something. I have great respect for my grandmother. She's written more than 50 books. With the same meaning, the verb respect is used to show admiration. I respect the managers for keeping everyone happy when the company is struggling. Also, as a noun, respect can be used to show politeness, honour, or care towards someone or something important. Shaking hands is a sign of respect in many cultures. It can also be used as a verb to mean treat something or someone with kindness and care. You need to respect other people's belongings. Treat them like you would treat your own. Respect as a noun can also mean a feature or a particular detail of something. In one respect, climate change should be more important to businesses than profit.
Let's learn as. It has lots of meanings. I'm going to focus on it as a conjunction. As links clauses. We can use it to say that things happen at the same time, a bit like while. We use as to introduce the background event or when there are two short events. As you watch this video, I hope you take notes. We can also use as to introduce the reason for something, especially if we already knew about it. As it's nice today, I'm going to work outside. We also use it to link to the way that something is done. We'll cook the steak just as you like it. So, as can be similar to while, because, or in the way. As we use it so often, it's a really good word to learn. Let's learn perspective. It's a noun and it's about how you see things from different places. It's like point of view. Perspective often means how you see things from where you are. Now, that can be literal. It can be about where you're standing and what you can see with your eyes. I'm on top of a hill. From this perspective, I can see everything. You've got a different perspective. What can you see from over there? But it's also what you think about something as a result of your experiences, what you know, or your opinion. Look, from my perspective, I think the project is a good idea. This is a really difficult decision. What's your perspective on it? So, perspective is like point of view. It can be literal or figurative. It's a great word to learn, at least it is from my perspective.
As a verb, advance can mean to move forward, develop, or improve something. This can include both people and things. Unfortunately, the team lost and didn't advance to the next round. She took a class to advance her skills. With the same meaning of moving forward, developing, and improving, advance can be used as a noun. It was impossible to stop the advance of the fire. A cure was found due to recent advances in technology. Advance can be used as an adjective when something happens early. I'll buy your ticket. I get advance notice of all her concerts. Finally, if you ask for an advance, you want to be paid before you usually are. This is a noun and is often followed by on. She asked for an advance on her salary after receiving an unexpected bill. Executive is a word related to business. It can be a person in a very high up position in a company who has the power to make important decisions. Diego's been promoted to senior executive, so he has much more responsibility now. Executive is frequently used with adjectives relating to a person's job, like sales or chief. I'm meeting the sales executive at 2. He's showing us the new computers. As an adjective, executive relates to having the power to make decisions. It can also mean something is suitable for a person that isn't executive. Lena took an executive decision and increased the budget. This is the executive suite, the best in the hotel.
Let's learn still. As an adverb, we can use still to say that something is continuing, especially if we think that's a bit surprising. You're still awake. It's 3 a.m. Go to sleep. It can also introduce a surprising or contrasting idea in a similar way to despite. That exam was hard. Still, I think I got everything right. It also means even more so. We use it to make a verb or adjective stronger. You need to be on time, or better still, early. As an adjective, still means not moving. Keep still and the injection won't hurt. So, still can be about something continuing, something being surprising, being even more so, or not moving. If you want to know more, there is still more information on our website. Let's learn exercise. As a noun, it's something that you do to make yourself better at something. That can be a physical exercise to make you stronger, or an academic exercise to make you better educated. Do these exercises every day and you'll be fitter in no time. For homework, you need to complete these maths exercises. As a verb without a direct object, it means you're doing something active to get fit. He's desperate to get fit. He exercises every day. Used with a direct object, it's similar to use. A good teacher knows how to exercise authority in the classroom. So, an exercise is something you do, while if you exercise something, you might be using it. Why not use our website to exercise your brain with some English exercises?
Critical can be used to describe saying something is bad or not as good as it should be. It can be quite formal. He was critical of the training session. He said it was boring. Many employees were unhappy with his critical comments. Critical can also be used to mean you think something is very important, particularly to the way things might happen in the future. Your financial support is critical to the success of the project. Will you take the job? It's a critical decision. Finally, critical can mean something is extremely serious or dangerous. After the crash, the driver was in a critical condition. If learning English is critical to your future, watch our other videos. As an adjective, specific can mean relating to one thing in particular. This specific train leaves at 6:05. Is there anything specific you'd like from the supermarket? Also, as an adjective, specific can mean exact. What specific benefits can you bring to our company? Can you show me the specific place it hurts? As a noun, specific is only used in its plural form, specifics. This means relating to some exact things and not others. We know the budget, so let's talk about the specifics. The specifics of the plan haven't been finalised yet. We hope this specific video helps you with your English.
Let's learn significant. It's an adjective and it means important. This can be for different reasons. Something can be significant because it's making a difference or it's big enough to notice. Since you joined, you've made a significant impact on the team. The problems that we're facing are significant. I'm not sure we can continue. we made a significant number of changes to your plan. Something can be significant because it means something specific. I think it was significant that he mentioned your name in the speech. It was significant that she only talked about the problems. She's not happy. So, significant means important. It can be because something's making a difference, it's noticeable, or it has a special meaning. Keep watching our videos and we'll have a significant impact on your English.